And yeah, as you can see, the price is moving straight into profit. And let me explain the reasons for my entry, the stops, and the target. As you can see, price just dropped. Insane, guys. This is crazy. What's up, guys? What's up? It's your boy XO, and in this video I will be live trading the forex market and showing you guys my best and most highly profitable forex trading strategy on how to use the EMA, which stands for exponential moving average, and Fibonacci break and retests. And guys, will I make a profit in this video? Let's find that out in this video. So watch this video to the end to see my reasons behind every trade, my stops, my targets, my entries, my reasons for trading, and all those good stuff. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so let me just get this out of the way. This video is going to be a pre-recorded video, so the voicing you're going to be hearing is me talking after I've taken the trades, because it's quite difficult to keep up the pace while I'm trading and talking at the same time. I actually sometimes miss some entries, and it is quite difficult and really annoying, because when I'm trying to explain something, the price just quickly moves and I miss that entry and have to wait for a new one. So I've decided that I will take the trades, then come back later and break down and analyze and explain to you guys every reasons behind the trades. I hope that's fine with you guys. If that's not fine, then please just drop a comment and let me know, guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so at this point I can see this beautiful entry. It looks really good, and I took the trade because let me just explain the reason why I took the trade. But before that, let's place the trade. Like I said, it's quite difficult to talk and place the trade at the same time, so I used a 1.8 pip stop for this trade. And yeah, as you can see, the price is moving straight into profit. And let me explain the reasons for my entry, the stops, and the target. As you can see, price just dropped. Insane, guys. This is crazy. All right, price just dropped down. Look at the strong momentum to the downside. So I'll be explaining how I took this trade, the reasons, the entries, the stops, the targets. So keep watching this video. And as usual, guys, I can always say, once the price moves a 1-to-1, move your stops to break even. And at this point, I moved my stop to break even. And yeah, just put your stop slightly above below the entry. So my main target is down at this wick. You can see this strong wick at that point, so that's my main target. And I'm looking to take a 1-to-2. That is my second main target. A 1-to-2 is my second main target. And as you can see, price is just crashing all the way down. So I'll be explaining the strategy, and just stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Take profit smashed, a 1-to-2. So let me explain the strategy, guys. So I took this trade because I saw this beautiful engulfing candlestick at that point. I saw this strong breakout of the 200 EMA line. So guys, I've made a video like this teaching you guys how to use this EMA on your charts, and using this break and retest strategy is really not that difficult. It's totally easy, like very easy. So I saw this breakout of the 200 EMA, and the market came back to retest the 200 EMA line, and I saw this beautiful engulfing candlestick, you know, this bearish candlestick engulfed this bullish candlestick, and I just got in the trade. It's just really that easy and that simple, using an indicator plus price action and all those good stuff. Alright guys, so I don't like to say this, but the Fibonacci is really not that necessary for this strategy, but to add in some more confluences, I actually used it. But without the Fibonacci, I could have taken this trade regardless. All right, so the price retraced from that 50 zone. As you can see, it came back to that point and it retraced. That is a strong sign that the market wants to come down, plus the engulfing candlestick. And yeah, that was some confluences I added up to take this trade. So as you can see, the price went to that point, that week I was talking about at that point, and obviously a 2-to-1 was actually a win. All right, so if you want to trade with me live every day, click the link in the description, guys, to join my free VIP Telegram group, so that I can be sending you guys the signals like this, so you guys can join me every single day trading. Guys, it's totally free. You can join for free, and yeah, it's up to you guys. So alright guys, so the second trade number 2, at this point I saw this I really don't know how to explain this strategy. I'll make a new video showing you guys how to use this strategy, but it's not those Fibonacci and all those good stuff. It's actually kind of a price action based forex trading strategy that I kind of discovered, but I'm still working on this strategy. As you can see, a 1-to-1 was my target for break even. As always, guys, a 1-to-1 is for a break even, and a 1-to-2 or a 1-to-1.5, depending on how risk tolerance I want to be or how much I want in the market. And as you can see, we lost this trade because no strategy works 100% of the time. I took this trade maybe like last week. I took like 4 of it and all 4 of them was a win, but I saw one today. I was like, okay, let me just take this trade and add it up to this this video, but it ended up being a losing trade. So at least, guys, you see that no strategy works 100% of the time. And as you can see, the price actually moved into profit. Like, it's moved way down. Just that I got taken out. My stops was too tight. Crazy. It's and guys, it's pretty annoying to see things like this. Like, my stops was way too tight. If not, this was a beautiful win. And yeah, so I just have to endure the loss and keep up and keep on trading. All right, so you, like I said, you win some and you lose some. The rest is history, right? Alright, guys, so quick trading recap. Like I said, this strategy is really amazing because it's a break and retest, one of my most highly profitable forex trading strategies. Guys, one thing about forex is you have to look for a very simple, like a simplified strategy, hone it and try to make it, I try to improve it, guys. There are other things I looked out for in this strategy before I took this trade, so don't go blindly taking these trades and maybe seeing what I'm doing and explaining and just go blindly taking this trade. Please go back and back test your this strategy and get a little bit more confidence in trading this, like using a demo account to trade it, and you will see the result, guys. You will be happy you did, because these strategies are really very simple and very high profitable. So this is what the second trade, like I said, it's kind of like a price action strategy. There's no break, retest, EMA needed or Fibonacci or whatever needed in this strategy, but I took this trade, but it ended up losing. But as you can see, the price went straight down into profit. Just that my stops was way too tight. I'm still working on this strategy to see how I can further improve it. So if you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I will try my best to make it. Like I said, you never know, guys, this video could change someone's life. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.